Okay, Joseph, how you doing today, man?
Had better days.
Had better days.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we had a couple of issues, one of which today was some shoulder pain. This has kind of been coming on, right? It's not a brand new thing.
That's correct.
You didn't roll out of the back of a Suburban or drop off a ladder or something, right? Okay. So it's been kind of grinding and creaking, right? Okay. And you've been lifting weights. We can see by your very muscular back here, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is put a little cortisone in here so we can give you some relief. We're also going to x-ray you on the way out today, right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I'm going to position you a little bit, but I want you to just sit up and let that kind of just, well, not that much. Take that one off. There we go. There we go. That's what we want right there. So we're going to do a posterior subacromial approach. So we're finding our spot. We're going to make a little dimple. Okay, there's a little dimple.
Ow!
Oh, like you said, we have Gonzo on the camera. Little betadine here.
Okay.
What's in the news you want to talk about? This is your chance to be a star, even though nobody's going to see your face. Come on, go ahead, out with it. You got something you want to talk about? This is your chance. Gonzo's always trying to co-opt this.
I would really like to see our football team do something a little bit better this year than they did last year.
What's your prediction? What do you think the record's going to be?
Let's see, 16 games per season. I would say anywhere between 12 and 14 and winning season.
Really?
Yeah.
The last person we had here was 10-6, and I thought.
Okay.
So you think
Yeah,
14-2 or something?
Let's say 12 and 4,
That's already knowing
13 and 3.
I would definitely like to see a 10,
Sure.
a 12-4 season.
Absolutely.
I would
Absolutely.
definitely go for that.
Absolutely.
Who's our QB going to be?
Well, I don't like either one of those guys in particular myself. And of course, that creates a problem for my 12 and 14 for a season, but
He's what you call an optimist. Glass half full, not glass half empty.
yeah, I don't know where we get either one of those guys from. Brian Hoyer, what he did in Cleveland.
Yep.
Well, hey, looks like he can, obviously he can do the job, but
I think he's an okay quarterback. I'm with you.
Yeah.
I don't think he's a 12 and 4.
No.
What is Mallet still doing all right?
Yeah, but Mallet, what? I mean,
Right.
it's like
We had a great game out of him last year, though. So maybe there's something. I mean, the guy's never really been tried.
Well,
otherwise, right?
That's the problem. So we've had some guys that's never been tried before.
That's true. That's true. Well, we have been in a quarterback deficit for the longest time here.
Exactly.
I mean, we got the greatest defensive player, arguably, who's ever played the game. I mean, you can argue that. You may be wrong, but you could definitely argue that J.J. Watt's the
J.J.
best.
Watt,
I mean, what do you say?
Well, I was listening to the news last night, and this guy that came down from New England, who's been, this is his 12th season.
Yeah.
Defensive tackle also, right? And he was talking about, I've been in the game, this long, but still, I'm sure I'll probably learn some things from J.J. Watt.
he brings an intensity to it that's
Yes.
just really rare. Of course, we got a good defense, and
Yeah,
if our secondary holds up, we're gonna be tough.
Yeah.
All right.
I just wish Jadeveon Clowney would stay on the field. That's
Man,
all.
I'm with. You know what? This is if it's do or die now.
yeah.
This is it.
Yeah,
This is
absolutely.
it. Do or die.
Absolutely.
Do or die. Okay.
Oh, God.
How did that feel? Was that a bad shot?
No, that was easy.
It was easy. Okay. Ice it tonight, 20 minutes, about an hour before you go to bed. Just kind of take it easy for me for about a week. Don't do any heavy shoulder workout. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, for 1 month, actually.
Okay. And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.